How to browse free internet with VPN, stay secure and unlock content. Your internet provider is limiting access, tracking your data and charging you for services you could get for free. Want to bypass restriction and browse for free? Here's how a VPN can help you unblock the internet. In this video, I'm going to show you how this VPN works, how you can browse the internet without extra charges, and what you need to watch out for to stay safe with using a free VPN. I used to struggle with high data costs and restricted websites, and I kept wondering there has to be a way around this. Then I discovered VPNs, and wow, it changed the game. But not all VPNs work the same, and here's what you need to know. So when you open it this way, then you apply. Okay, they will ask you to join the the Telegram group. It's your choice to join or not. So here we will click later. Okay, and then they will ask us to select the server and then our country. So maybe for the server I'll choose Germany or any other country you wish to. Okay, then for this one for the country, we have Ghana here, we have Pakistan, and then some other countries, Uganda. Okay, so here this video is purposely for Ghana. So we will click Ghana 1.2 gig SSH. Okay, and then we go back. Okay, now we will switch our internet to MTN. Let's wait for it to appear. Okay, so as you can see, this sign always shows that I do not have any bundles. Sign into network. Okay, so we then click start.
Open up a live video chat and have fun. So download it now.
Okay, so now that it has connected, let's go and verify if it's working. So right here we're on YouTube, and you see it's very fast. Hey, bro, go and try this, okay, and tell me what you think about it. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. This app is called Aptech VPN Lite. So please go to Play Store and then download it. Thank you very much.